Hi everyone, this is Asa Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And for today, I'm gonna show you this house for sale here at Hampton Subdivision. This is very close to SM Telebastagan. So, boundary din siya ng San Fernando. Now, behind me is this. For me, this is a modern Mediterranean. Right here, medyo makalat pa lang yung pinaka-carport natin. You have two vehicle carport and yung peg ng carport niya. Pero pasok ako. Sa facade niyo, very simple. Ganun yung modern Mediterranean, di ba? You have a very beautiful pedestrian. Then one thing I noticed, pagpasok for a while, medyo mahangin. Alright, one thing I noticed, naka-elevate pa yung pinakabahay natin. So you have total 5 steps going to your main house. Gawin muna ako dito sa garahe nyo. Your 2 vehicle carport. Actually, kung mga compact cars yung gamit nyo, kasya yung 3 dito. Tapos mataas. Fully covered, pero you have ventilation. That's your carport. And then we have another surprise for later dito sa carport nyo agad. Yan, pasok na ako. Magaan lang naman. I mean, mababa lang naman yung nahilo. Yung hagdan. Dito kasi sa corner na to, single detached yung house. Dito you have pocket garden all the way here. Pwedeng garden ulit, green garden, or laundry area na. And I can see you have, eto na yung pump room. Bagong-bago pa yung bahay, kaya may mga areas na may mga gamit pa. We usually do that dito sa NLB kasi nga para mapakita ko na sa inyo. Baka nga naman ito na yung hinahanap niyong house. Galing, ang taas ng bahay. Let me just remove this. So, pagpasok pala ng main house, another double swing door. Tapos, both side may glass panel. So, mas more natural light. Then, right here, you have ito na yung pinaka-living area nyo. Tapos, medyo high ceiling siya. Double high ceiling pa rin talaga, I can say. Plus, good thing you have air condition unit. And, ayun, mga CCTVs. That's where I am kanina. Tapos, parang pagbungad, kita nyo na yung magandang staircase going to your second floor. Tapos naka-glass. Ganda. Plus, depends on you kung saan yung pinaka-dining area nyo or table. Kasi I can see ito yon. Ito yung pwedeng chandelier dito or regular light fixture. Dito siya. Plus, the space is around 8-seater. Pwede, kasyang-kasya. Kasi, dito siya connected. For this house, you have your own swimming pool na semi-covered. I mean, fully covered siya pero may ilaw. May araw kasi. Around 1:30 na nang sinot namin yung house na to. Siyempre, bago pa lang yung house kaya medyo madumi pa yung swimming pool natin. Pero fully covered siya, I can see here. Ang ganda lang ng position niya kasi yung half area is may araw. Plus right here, you have access din sa pinaka-papuntang likod. Tapos may mga plant box na pwede kayong mag-add ng halaman para naman may somehow, privacy yung pinaka-swimming pool nyo. Kasi direct access siya sa carport nyo. Kaya pala ganun kalawak yung carport. Tapos yung feeling niya, open lang. Kasi ito na yung pinaka-welcome area nyo as well as your family area. And since dadaan na ako dito, pakita ko na rin ito. I guess, this is water filter or heater. Tapos nandito din yung breaker. Hindi ko masasabing maid's room siya. Let's see. And we have another room. Pwede ng guest room. Unfurnished talaga yung bahay. Ay, lock. This is lock. I guess ano yan, toilet and bath. Furnace room. Oh, lock lahat. Okay, picture na lang papakita namin. Siguro may mga gamit kasi nga nag-i-install din sila ng ibang gamit. But, right from your dining, you have your spacious formal kitchen. So you have your, natatawa ko, ayaw kong sabihin kasi mas-spill yung natin, guest sa recent video. You have your double sink. Tanaw nyo din yung swimming pool as well as yung dining area. Plus, let me see kung may, okay, may space for mga stool. So sa likod na syempre yung mga countertop. May mga overhead cabinets. Tapos iba naman yung style nito. Ito yung middle na to yung sa sa lutuan na. Burner stove. Tapos dito yung two-door fridge. Ayan yung size niya. Ito yung base ng door for the two-door fridge. That's it. Then another door here. Oh, this will be your, wow! Dirty kitchen as well as yung may pa dito, pantry. Pantry room. May room. Plus, behind Mr. K is access door. Going sa pinakalikod natin. There you go. Plus, you have your dirty kitchen sa pinakalikod na part. Excuse me, na-burp pa ako dun. Yan. Medyo malaki yung bahay, no? Medyo mahaba yung napapansin ko yung nilalakad ko. Let me show you this. So, may sliding door din that leads to your swimming pool right from your formal kitchen. Now, let's go back here. So, ayan. Sa ground floor pa lang, parang ang dami na agad. Kasi ang daming door. Tapos ang liwanag. Ano ba yun? Ang aliwalas sa mata. And before I continue going up, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. It's Next Level Properties. And also, shout out po to Doc Nikki by Smiles and More. Siya po yung dahilan kaya medyo talaga nabulol na ako ng tuluyan today. Taga Pampanga lang siya and she's so pretty. Gusto niyo siyang i-visit. Dito na ako, Mr. K. Ay, ang daming room! Nice. Ay, ang ganda nito. Wow, yung feeling na kitang-kita mo yung mga guest mo. Pati yung sa other part na yun, parang may balcony. Dito, overlooking lang yung pool. So, fix yung window na to. Sa bandang sa kabila, may balcony. It's nice. Then you also have natural ventilation kung gusto niyo naman. Yung upper part awning. Wow, mahang talaga. Totoo naman, presko sa baba. Cute na to. Parang may reading corner ka pa dun or kahit mga artificial plant. So, sa upper floor, you have second bedroom as well as sa corner na yan, you have built-in cabinet with, I can see study table / vanity. Tapos, king size, kasyang-kasya for this room. AC is included. You also have toilet and bath. Spacious din. So, medyo madilim lang kasi naka-off pa siguro yung mga main switch ng house. Makulit kami. Kailangan na namin i-shoot. And another corner. Pwede pa nga sofa set din. Kasyang pa dito. Another room with the same built-in cabinet and study table as well as yung toilet and bath niya. In fairness, ang lalaki ng toilet and bath. Kasi malaki din naman yung lot size ng pinaka-lote. Let's go to the next room. This one, I guess, is another storage room. Depends on you. Di ba, lalagyan na lang ng mga shelves. And another room again. For this one, siguro mga twin-size bed kasya na dito. Your television. Plus, wala siyang toilet and bath. So, extra room lang siya. Could be your office if you want. So, that's... Now, for the last room, it's this one. And this one, ooh! Later! For this one, ito na yung pinaka-primary bedroom natin as well as yung last room. Saan tayo mag-headboard? Dito. Dito pala ang headboard. Yan. So, dito yung headboard natin. Yan yung front ng property, yung mga window na yan. Ito naman, syempre sa side. Ang laki. I mean, ang spacious. Kasi kasya pa yung kahit dalawang king-size bed. Oh. Tapos, dun yung television. Dito pwedeng office or vanity. Tapos, ito sa corner na to. Built-in cabinet. Ay, walk-in na rin. Walk-in closet na rin. Toilet and bath. Separate yung shower area with glass partition and sink. Tapos kanya pala yung may balcony na overlooking sa swimming pool. Si primary room lang yung may access dito. Dito siya. Iba din yung itsura. Sa taas pala. Ang high ceiling pala ng bahay. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na. But anyway, siguro, I'll give you a quick recap again sa baba, somewhere sa may bandang swimming pool. Alright, for your quick recap, again, this house is brand new and located here at Hampton Subdivision, just boundary of San Fernando and Angeles Exit. The house sits at 300 square meters for the lot area, and you have 320 square meters for your floor area. This is 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. You have your 2 to 3 vehicle carport, your own swimming pool. You also have your maid's room, and the house comes unfurnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azza Yubicalan's Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on the next video.